10 towns in England reclaiming their past. Across England, many towns are quietly rediscovering what once made them thrive. Instead of chasing trends, they are restoring market traditions, repairing historic streets, reopening canals, and celebrating local stories that shaped everyday life. This movement is not about nostalgia or freezing places in time. It is about confidence, continuity, and pride. From former industrial centres to ancient market towns, communities are choosing to protect character while building relevance. These places prove that heritage can be practical, lived, and forward-looking. Here are 10 towns in England reclaiming their past. 10. Oswestry. Oswestry has always existed between worlds. Sitting close to the Welsh border, the town grew as a historic market centre shaped by movement, exchange, and cultural overlap. Livestock markets, coaching routes, and local trade once defined daily life. As larger retail centres expanded elsewhere, Oswestry risked losing that deeply rooted identity. In recent years, the town has begun reclaiming it with quiet confidence. Traditional markets have been strengthened rather than replaced, historic shopfronts preserved, and local traders encouraged to reflect the town's independent spirit. Instead of homogenising the high street, Oswestry has leaned into what made it distinctive in the first place. Community events now draw on border traditions, local storytelling, and shared history. The result is not a town frozen in time, but one that feels comfortable with where it came from. Oswestry's revival works because it does not chase attention. It simply remembers who it is and builds forward from there. 9. Workington. Workington's story is inseparable from labour. Coal, steel, shipbuilding and port activity once shaped the rhythm of life here, creating strong communities bound by shared work and resilience. When industry declined, the loss was not only economic, but emotional. A sense of purpose faded with the factories. Rather than erasing that past, Workington has begun reclaiming it openly. Industrial heritage projects now highlight the people behind the industries, not just the machinery. Old working spaces have been adapted for community use, and local history is increasingly visible in everyday spaces. What makes Workington's revival meaningful is its honesty. The town does not romanticise hardship, but it refuses to forget contribution. By acknowledging its working roots and restoring pride in them, Workington is rebuilding confidence from the ground up. 8. Faversham. Faversham is one of England's oldest market towns, with a past shaped by brewing, maritime trade, and centuries of commerce along its creek. For a time, much of that heritage sat quietly in the background, overshadowed by modern pressures. Today, Faversham is bringing those layers back into focus. Historic breweries are preserved as part of the town's living fabric, not isolated relics. Creekside areas have been restored, reconnecting the town to its maritime roots. Market traditions have regained their central role in community life. Walking through Faversham now feels grounded. The town's history is visible, practical, and integrated into everyday routines. It stands as an example of how careful preservation can support modern living without turning heritage into a theme. 7. Accrington. Accrington helped build modern Britain quite literally. Its brickworks supplied materials used across the country, while textile mills shaped the town's economy and identity. When those industries declined, Accrington struggled to redefine itself. Recent years have brought a renewed appreciation for that industrial past. Mill buildings have been restored and reused rather than demolished. Historic landmarks are being highlighted as symbols of resilience rather than reminders of loss. Community-led initiatives now focus on storytelling, craftsmanship, and shared memory. Accrington's revival is not about reinvention, but recognition. By acknowledging the skill and labour that once defined it, the town is finding new confidence rooted in authenticity. 6. Whitby. Whitby has always worn its history visibly. Its harbour, fishing traditions, and abbey ruins are deeply woven into the town's character. The challenge for Whitby has not been loss of heritage, but balance. For years, parts of the town risked becoming defined only by surface-level appeal. Recently, efforts have focused on protecting authenticity. Fishing traditions remain supported, local crafts encouraged, and historic spaces maintained with care rather than spectacle. Whitby's strength lies in restraint. By allowing history to remain part of daily working life, not just visitor experience, the town preserves something real. Its past continues to shape identity, not just postcards. 5. Leek. Leek's rise was built on textiles, canals, and Victorian ambition. Its architecture reflects that confidence, even during periods when the town itself seemed unsure of its future. Today, Leek is reclaiming that sense of purpose. Former mills have been adapted into useful modern spaces without losing their character. The canal heritage is celebrated again, reconnecting the town to its industrial geography. Markets, once central to Leek's identity, have regained importance. The town feels increasingly cohesive, as if its history has been invited back into everyday life. Leek shows how architectural memory can become a foundation rather than a burden. 4. Totnes. Totnes has always followed its own path. With medieval streets, a strong market tradition, and an independent mindset, the town never fully abandoned its past. Instead, it chose to adapt it carefully. Historic buildings remained central to commerce and community life. Local food, crafts, and traditional markets are not preserved as curiosities, but supported as living practices. Totnes demonstrates that heritage can guide progress rather than limit it. The town's success comes from consistency. By staying true to long-held values of independence and community, Totnes proves that reclaiming the past can be a creative act rather than a restrictive one. 3. Barnsley. Barnsley's identity was shaped by coal mining and industry, creating strong bonds and shared pride. When those industries ended, the town faced uncertainty that extended beyond economics. Its recovery has been grounded in respect. Civic buildings have been restored, heritage spaces developed, and working-class culture openly celebrated. Barnsley's story is being told again, not as a closed chapter, but as a foundation. By acknowledging its roots honestly, Barnsley has rebuilt confidence. The town's renewal feels meaningful because it is based on understanding rather than forgetting where strength once came from. 2. Alnwick. Alnwick's past has always been visible, from its medieval streets to its long-standing market traditions. What has changed is how deeply that heritage is now integrated into modern life. Careful restoration has ensured historic buildings remain useful and accessible. Community events draw on long-established customs, while modern needs are met without disrupting character. Alnwick's achievement lies in balance. Heritage here is neither hidden nor overstated. It exists naturally, supporting a town that feels alive, confident, and deeply connected to its history. 1. Hebden Bridge. Hebden Bridge stands as one of the clearest examples of successful heritage-led renewal. Once defined by mills and industry, the town faced decline before rediscovering the value of what remained. Historic buildings were restored rather than erased. Canals were reopened, reconnecting the town to its industrial geography. Creative communities flourished within old spaces, giving them new purpose without stripping identity. Today, Hebden Bridge feels rooted and forward-looking at the same time. It represents the strongest example of 10 towns in England reclaiming their past, proving that when history is respected, it becomes a strength that shapes the future. These towns show that renewal does not require forgetting. By restoring historic spaces, reviving traditions, and respecting local memory, they are building futures that feel grounded and human. England's past remains powerful when communities choose to carry it forward, not as display, but as daily life for generations to come. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and don't forget to turn on the notification bell.